How to share your Netflix account with friends. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can share your Netflix account with friends. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to share your Netflix account with friends in 2025, because many things on Netflix has changed, the password sharing ban that they implemented just for profit and so many other things, what we can do on Netflix is we can still share our account details. So if you want to share your account with your friend, you have to share account, email and password. There is no other way than that. You can, however, create multiple profiles, like up to 5 different profiles per one plan on a Netflix account. So when you create 5 profiles, each of your 5 friends can use their own significant profile from there. Now, if you are like kind of living together, it's even better because Netflix actually now tracks your IP address that is coming from your internet service provider, like from your router. So if Netflix actually, if they notice the logins from different routers and different IP addresses, in that case, it might limit the access. But when you verify a couple of codes, you should be able to get those things done as well. But basically, to share your account, you have to provide your friend your email and your password, and then the profile that they're going to be using. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.